Ministry has dismissed fake news that claimed that Prime Minister will announce lockdown extension in an episode of Mann Ki Baat. The MHA has tweeted, and I quote, "The quoted story claims to have inside details about Lockdown 5 from MHA sources. All claims made therein are mere speculations by the reporter. To attribute them to MHA is incorrect and being irresponsible." This is a story that has been published that claims to suggest that the Prime Minister will announce lockdown extension in an episode of Mann Ki Baat, but even other details of so-called Lockdown 5 have been rubbished by the Home Ministry. Let's go across to our political editor, Aishwarya Kapoor, joining us over the phone line with more. We'll go across to Aishwarya in just a bit, but one story claiming to have details of the contours of Lockdown 5 has been now rubbished by MHA itself. MHA sources were quoted in this report that also mentioned that the Prime Minister will announce Lockdown 5 during Mann Ki Baat. Aishwarya is with us on the line now. Aishwarya, tell us more.
Well, at this point of time, Government of India and then the MHA, Shivani, has made it clear that there is no notification as such for Lockdown 5. Government has not planned anything. And this report, which has been propagated by one particular news media network, is completely false and wrong. In this report, it has been mentioned that the Government of India is planning for a Lockdown 5 and that the Prime Minister of India is going to address the nation on a particular date and then inform the country regarding Lockdown 5. MHA has clearly denied all of these reports and clearly stated that there is no plan as such regarding Lockdown 5, and also clearly stating that these kind of fake reports are not only against the fabric of the country, but they also disturb the way things are done.
Yes, incorrect and irresponsible is how the Home Ministry has categorized this report. And, well, it's a reminder for everybody to take sources with a pinch of salt sometimes, because that is what was attributed as far as the information in this report is concerned. But lately, government bodies have been extremely quick in coming forward with any such reports, and that helps in busting fake news before it becomes too dangerous. Aishwarya, thanks a lot for joining us.